Hey guys, today's episode with household gadgets. You can find the links in description box below. Have fun. Use FlipFold to help you fold your laundry quickly and efficiently. Folding laundry will take less time, and you'll get perfectly folded clothes every time. Turn your messy closet into a neat display. This painting is a good choice to protect the main power switch box and to decorate your wall. It's sturdy and durable, and the cover makes your electricity meter more secure and protects it against water and moisture. The double-layer structure meter box can be used simply by opening it upwards. The next one is water fountain fish tank. After a busy day of work, return to the vibrant nature and feel the relaxed and comfortable life. It's perfect as your home decor or at your office. You should have this multi-purpose tool. It's cleverly designed as power nail gun, pipe wrench, adjustable wrench, screwdriver, clamp, vise, hammer, and many more. This universal hammer provides all the tools that a person could need into one compact. It's perfect combination of rich tools to meet your different needs. This wireless robotic vacuum cleaner can automatically clean ceramic tiles, marble, hardwood floors, and carpet. It has excellent off-road capabilities, which means it can cross different types of floors without the need for assistance. The vacuum robot has a low profile of 68 mm, can move in any room, and is compact enough to fit under a sofa or bed at home. Also, this vacuum's air filter can store fine dust particles in moving trash. The next thing is broom with dustpan set. This is built-in comb teeth for easy to scrape off the hair and rubbish of the broom silk into dustpan. So you no need to clear the hairs by hand. And easy to clean human hair or pet hair and dust from the broom. It is a great way to save storage space. The next gadget is this tissue box holder. This multifunctional tissue box holder is simple with generous appearance, with creative design, with multi-compartments. It's ideal for bathrooms, dining rooms, kitchens, or wherever the need for tissues or napkins exists in your household. It's designed as simple and fashionable effective decoration style. Also, it's unique and beautiful and a more convenient design than the other storage boxes out there. This organizer can be placed in a bedroom, bathroom, living room, or kitchen. Also, the hand phone can be placed on it and can easily liberate your hands. Is your doorstep so messy with shoes and sandals? Use this foldable bamboo shoe rack. This shoes rack in the entryway is easy for storing your keys, hats, or other accessories conveniently. With X-shaped design, will make the shelf to stay stable without wobbling and more strong durability. This space-saving bamboo shoe rack is suitable for use many places at home. The next thing is inflatable lazy sofa. With rapid valve on the bottom, equipped with a household air pump, it only needs few minutes to inflate and deflate. The inflatable mattress pump is small and lightweight, making it convenient to use it indoor and outdoor. At a travel-friendly dimension, you can easily take air pumps anywhere you go. Magnetic floating globe. This novel floating globe is a wonderful display for study or office room. Also a great scientific teaching aid. The globe will stop floating and be absorbed on the frame when it is hit by accident and gets off track, or it suffers power off. This is an awesome gift for your family or friends. The next device is wireless mini camera. This camera will let you to view real-time what's happening inside your home or office, even while you're away on a vacation. It's easy to install with magnetic camera holder. It includes night vision and motion detection, which are those basic functions for this indoor security camera. You can not only see things in the dark, but also capture anybody who is moving in front of the camera. The next necessary item is mosquito trap lamp. Mosquitoes are not only irritating, but they also transmit viruses that can cause diseases like dengue. This practical mosquito trap is extremely easy to use for everyone. The mosquito killer lamp utilizes UV light to attract pests to the lamp. Because of the irresistible light, the flying insects are then suctioned by fan. Next decor item is solar wind chime. This lovely and vivid crystal string light wind chime is the best choice to decor your garden. Keep switch on position. The LED solar wind chime will auto-charge under direct sunshine. At night, changing colors randomly can create a mysterious and magical atmosphere for outdoor decor. Adjustable shelf divider. This partition rack can be stretched freely. You can stretch it in different sizes to different lengths, according to your needs. The pads at both ends of cabinet shelf are highly resilient and high strength, which not only increases friction, but also greatly enhances safety. This shelf divider is ideal for kitchen, wardrobes, shoe cabinets, and many more. The next gadget is Tribit Home Speaker. This isn't just a speaker, it's an essential assistant for your life. It can gently wake you up and calmly put you to sleep. Also, has soothing, gentle alarm sounds, white noise, and a front-facing clock. You can add to the vibe of the party with various light modes, which can react to the beat of the music. Now you'll love your favorite songs even more. Furniture Hand Mover. This object is perfect choice for heavy furniture, beds, tables, and other heavy appliances to move. Each rollers are very quiet and smooth, and it will not leave scratches on the floor. With the ergonomic design, you can easily lift the heavy furniture by one-hand operation without any tools. It is suitable to use on hardwood floors, laminates, and carpet to move your household like piano, desks, beds, sofas, refrigerator, or any heavy furniture at any time. And also, it will be your great assistant when you're cleaning. The next thing is washer ball. These laundry scrubbing balls are made of premium solid soft PVC. It's durable and soft, which will not harm clothes and washing machine. These balls will make cloths more fluffy and not twining. Also, it'll separate clothes effectively and soften fabrics naturally. The balls will improve washing by unique. The next thing is Mop Slippers. You don't need to bend yourselves to clean the floor anymore. These mop slippers are great for getting into the corners and under furniture for a quick clean. You can be worn directly on your feet. Just walk around with the foot mops for floor cleaning on and you can wipe away dust and stain. It comes in various colors. The next thing is Mop and Broom Holder. This wall-mounted have many uses. Not only for hanging mops and brooms, but also for hanging various things, such as umbrella, kitchen supplies, toilet brush, and many more. It'll fit most types of handles, with pull-out hooks for hanging items. Rolling balls will automatically adjust to each handle's thickness and grips it securely. The final gadget is this Microfiber Dust Mop. The 360-degree rotating mop head is elegant design, which will extend to the furniture below and around. It'll remove dirt from inaccessible areas. The two reusable microfiber mats will provide you with cleaning opportunities over and over again. The long handle is extended and it can be constructed in any high place. That's all for today, guys. Subscribe for more gadgets, and see you on next video.